Good morning, dear children. This is your assistant teacher. Now, as you know that yesterday we have studied about the latitudes and globe, why it is important, and axis and equator. And so today, let's see what is the another paragraph says. So the equator represent, as you know that the equator represent 0 degree latitude, since the distance from equator to the pole is 1/4 of the circle, and the full measurement of circle is 360. Okay, that means, for example, this is the equator. Okay, and the 0 degree latitude, since distance from the equator to the pole is 1/4 of the circle, and the full measurement is nothing but the 360 degree. Okay, so that means if we divided 360 from 4, we get 90 degree. Okay, that means the whole degree it must be 360 degree, and when we divided it by 4, we will get 90. Okay, so that means from 4 we get 90 degree, so that is 90 degree north latitude makes north pole. Okay, that means 90 degree north gets 90 degree north latitude. Okay, 90 degree north latitude, and this below we get 90 degree south latitude. Okay, so that means 90 degree north latitude marks north pole, and 90 degree south latitudes marks the south pole. So the latitude from the above the equator known as the north latitude. Okay, above from the equator, above the equator known as the north latitude. Okay, and below the equator it is known as the south latitude. So for understanding the two halves of this globe, of this earth, we have given them a name, that is north and south. Okay, so for just understanding, we just make two half and just given them a name north and south, so that we can easily find out what is the north and what is the south. Understood? So that is north and south pole. So for example, just let's take in some one example here. So of the you can say the Chandrapur in Maharashtra and Belo in Brazil. Okay, we have taken two examples, that is Chandrapur in Maharashtra and Belo in Brazil on same latitude, that is nothing but the 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, both are the at 20 degree Celsius, 20 degree south, 20 degree north, that is they both are on same latitude. Okay, that is 20 degree. So latitude, so how? Because when we looking at our earth with latitudes, we know, we have seen their position are on same latitudes, but Brazil comes at the southern hemisphere while Maharashtra comes the northern hemisphere. Okay, that, but see, you can see here, you can see the for example of Chandrapur and Brazil, that is the Belo and Maharashtra. So their position are in same latitude. Okay, but Brazil comes the southern hemisphere. Okay, Brazil comes the southern hemisphere while the Maharashtra comes to the northern hemisphere. So you can say say that the important parallel of latitudes. Now let's take a look the important parallel of the latitudes. Okay, so I am repeating this example again so that you can easily understand. The both Chandrapur in Maharashtra and Belo Horizonte in Brazil, okay, are located on parallel of 20 degree latitude, but the former is 20 degree north of the equator and the latter is 20 degree south of it. Okay, that means वो दोनों भी है जो सेम लैटिट्यूड्स पे है, बस एक जो है वो नॉर्दर्न में है, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, और दूसरा जो है सिचुएटेड है वो आप यू कैन से दैट दे सिचुएटेड इन southern hemisphere but at the same latitudes. So in this type just because of latitude we can easily find out the place where they belongs to. So now the important parallels of latitudes. So in this paragraph we are going to study about some important latitudes, like you can see Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So let's take a look on this globe we have given here. So dear children, this figure number 2.39 your homework. You have to draw it at in your textbook. Okay, this figure number 2.3 I am repeating. Figure number 2.3 important latitudes and heat zones is your homework for today. Okay, so you have to draw it in your textbook and send me the pictures. So Tropic of Cancer is 23 degree half north. It's lie on the northern hemisphere in India. You can see here the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree at north. Okay, so that is lie above the equator. It is equator, that is lie above the equator. And the below the India you can see Tropic of Capricorn, which is also 23rd half degree at south, and you can see above the Tropic of Cancer, the Arctic, that is 66 half a degree north. Okay, that is you can see here Antarctic Circle, and here you can see the Arctic. So Arctic Circle, see, that is nothing but the 66 and half degree north. Okay, so that means you can see this green portion, this is the Tropic of Cancer. It situated above the equator and having 23.5 degree north. And here we have seen the Tropic of Capricorn, which is below the equator and having also 23.5 degree south. And below the Capricorn, Tropic of Capricorn, we can see the Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree south. And above the Tropic of Cancer we can see the Arctic Circle, which is nothing but the 66.5 degree north. Okay, so now later we are going to study about the heat zones. So as we can see that in this figure, figure number 2.3. okay, so sun rays directly comes here. You can see, for example, here is the sun. Okay, so you can see the sun rays directly come contact with the equator. So that's why there are torrid zone which is very close to that equator, and it is very and for this reason they have very hot temperature. Okay, the temperature rises there because the sun directly contacts to the equator. Okay, so dear children, to know much more, I think this is it for today's today's video. So then tomorrow we will study in detail about heat zones of the earth. Okay, so tomorrow it's goodbye from my side. So today what we have seen some parallel of latitudes. Okay, some examples, that is Chandrapur in Maharashtra and Brazil, that is the Belo in Brazil, and some important parallel of latitudes, that is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. And for this tomorrow we will get study about the heat zones of the earth. Okay, so for today it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.